water in Lake Minnewanka from surrounding mountains. So plain water that collects in the mountains. All that mountain, no water.
One of the captains here at Lake Minnewanka, and in front of me are all the boat controls. So here we just have digitally how fast the RPMs are. We have some oil pressure, coolant temperature, and how quickly we're using fuel on this boat. And then these are all just the old analog scales. And then this we have our GPS map.
Okay. And these controls
These are just windshield wipers.
Okay.
And we've got the horn. This is if one battery is too low, you hold this down, you can start the other engine.
Okay.
These here that I'm about to pull back is the throttle, controls the speed.
Okay. And these are like just in case of
That's
emergency?
yeah, fire suppression. So if there's a fire in the engine room, you just yank that, and then it kills the fire. And then here we have trim tabs.
And what is that for?
That's so if you're going really fast, a lot of people on the boat, the nose is going to be up like that. So you put the trim tabs down, and it brings the nose down as well.
Okay.
And you can see right up there. And you have no switching up in the mountains.
Have a great one. Rest of your day.
Thank you, boss.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a good day.
Hello. So that's enough for the boat?
No.
No.